Let's create a Game Pass for your game. First, go to the Roblox site, click Create, choose the game which you want to make the Game Pass for, click on where it says Associated Items, then click on Passes, create a pass, upload the image of your Game Pass and make sure it is 512 by 512. Enter a descriptive name for your Game Pass, write a description of your Game Pass. It doesn't need to be complicated since players rarely look at the description of the Game Pass. When you have done these steps, scroll down to where it says Create Pass, click on it and you will be redirected to the passes page. Then find your Game Pass which you made and click on it. Click on Sales. Now click on this button so your players can buy the Game Pass. Enter a price for your Game Pass and remember this will show you how much you will earn per sale after Roblox's tax. Afterwards, click on the box where it says Save Changes. Now you have made your Game Pass, however you're not done yet since you need to make your players able to buy the Game Pass in the actual game. So click on this video where I'll show you how you can do this.